Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'll go through this one really quickly, answering the question. If you're a software engineer already, you got a job, you got paid and all that stuff. Basically, if you're not in the market for first time, you're not a junior developer, you had job before. What should you do? Um, for example, the next year with this AI and all that stuff happening, how do you scale up? How do you stay relevant? Well, first thing is that you're gonna stay relevant anyway. But if you kind of um, sort of just know a little bit more than other people, if you want to be in that position where you just seem to know what's happening with this AI and all that, how these things work, how to use these things in your workflow, then what's going to happen is that you'll be sort of forced to learn how to use AI with what you're already doing in your current workflow. Okay, so you're not going to use AI to do massive things. You're not going to write prompts through AI which will create you a full-blown website. That's not going to happen. But what will happen for sure is using AI to do smaller things, like send this data, this is the prompt, okay, and you get the response and you use that in your workflow. So for example, you might use AI to just extract certain things from a file. If AI is cheap enough, you could do that. You could just make an API request, send it the data, and it'll extract the data for you. So you might use AI here there were small things here and there, and you should know how to integrate that into your workflow, your website, or the application you're building. So that is how AI is going to be used a lot, I think. But situations where AI is literally doing all the work for you, that's obviously I'm not even gonna cover that on this channel, because that is not gonna happen. As engineers, if you're an engineer, you know how complicated some things can get. So yeah, use AI here and there for to do small things, and I think that will just speed up the development in general. You got small services, small agents specializing in this. Use those agents in your workflow. So that's all I gotta say. Also, a small ebook I wrote a while back in the description. I'll catch you guys next time.